The date input object can be used on a form to capture dates entered manually by a form user or dynamically using behavior. Once captured, that date can then be displayed to and/or modified by other users who view the form instance. In the date input settings, you may choose whether to initially present the date object as empty, and that's the default setting, or to display the current date when the instance is first opened. Use the Now option to select that. You may also select a specific initial date in the object. In runtime mode, the date can be selected by the form user by them clicking on the calendar button to the right of the object. By default, the calendar will open on the current date, and the user can select any date from the range provided in the settings. You may change the date range in the settings. The default format for the date object is month, day, year, separated by a /. Select other options in the format drop-down if they are preferred.